Good morning, team. I want to discuss a recent change in hospital policy regarding patient visitation hours. Starting next week, visiting hours will be extended to accommodate more family members and friends.
That's great news, Mihira. This will definitely improve patient morale.
Absolutely. We want to create a more welcoming and supportive environment for our patients. However, it's important to maintain a quiet and calm atmosphere in the wards.
How can we ensure that the extended visiting hours don't disrupt patient care?
We'll need to implement strict guidelines for visitors. They should avoid making noise, avoid bringing in outside food, and respect the privacy of other patients. We'll also need to educate visitors about infection control measures, such as hand hygiene.
Mihira, will there be any additional staffing requirements to accommodate the increased number of visitors?
We'll assess our staffing needs and adjust our schedules accordingly. We may need to hire additional staff or reassign existing staff to manage the increased workload.
Mihira, I know that seeing your child in the hospital can be an incredibly worrying experience, and it's completely natural to feel overwhelmed and have many questions about what happens next. I want to reassure you that your child is in safe hands, and our entire team is here to support you both every step of the way. Right now, our most important job is to keep a very close watch on your little one. This means we will be checking in regularly to monitor their comfort, their vital signs like heart rate and breathing, and making sure they are as settled as possible. We will be paying special attention to any pain or discomfort they might have so we can manage it quickly and effectively. Your observations as their parent are also invaluable, so please do let us know if you notice any changes or have any concerns at all. The next step in your child's care is to begin the treatment process, and I want to walk you through what that will look like so there are no surprises. Very soon, we will be carefully taking your child to the X-ray department. This is a standard and necessary procedure that will give our medical team the detailed pictures we need to make the best decisions for their care. A specialized team will be there to perform this procedure, ensuring everything is done with the utmost care and gentleness. Once it is successfully completed, we will bring your child straight back to this ward. They will be closely monitored by us as they recover, and you will be right by their side again. We are all working together as one team with you, with the shared goal of helping your child get better. Please feel free to ask me anything else that might be on your mind.